Fabbi gets upset with Jayden. After he gives her constructive criticism.
For money, you come and you say, alright, you eat. You talk about say, you can't beg people them say, the people them will stop give you. Fuck you, tell about people will stop give me.
Calm down, Fabbi, calm down.
Come on, guys.
Yo!
Just because I make my depart ranking and they put up on number 3 and all of them something there, I come talk about say people will stop give me.
Jayden!
Huh?
You did ask Fabbi if she eat? Nah, get involved. Guys, tree and art!
Guys, 3 and a half chat.
Tree and art, guys!
Come. Sexy, thank you. Sexy.
Guys, you can get 3 and a half.
Tree and art, guys. Certain things not for
3 and a half, guys.